In this video, you will learn how to get your pay stubs from Cashapp. First, open the Cashapp on your phone. Start by launching Cashapp on your mobile device or logging into your account from a computer. You'll need to be signed in to access your financial documents. Access the profile or settings section. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. There, look for an option labelled Documents or Settings where you can manage your account related files. Navigate to the account statements. Within the document section, find and select account statements. This is where Cashapp will keep your monthly summaries of your activity, including incoming direct deposits and transfers. Select the desired month. A list of available statements will appear, typically organised by month. Choose a month that corresponds with the time period that you need. This can be helpful if you're using this statement as a substitution for your pay stub. Download or view. Tap on the statement you want. You'll be given the opportunity to view it within the app, or even download it as a PDF file. This file will include your full transaction history for that month, which can serve as a proof of income. Use that statement. If you need to submit the document to an employer, landlord or financial institution, save and print the document, downloaded PDF. You can also upload it through the app in Cashapp and request income verification under the limits. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.